So what is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel, and here comes a customer which is kind of most underrated one. It's available for many devices, by the way. It's kind of same like MSM extended. We're going to talk about this build right now in this video, which is called Legion OS based on Android version 11. It looks quite good enough, available for many devices. We're going to talk about the features right now in this video, so stay tuned for that and make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Okay, here in this video we're just going to talk about the features here, as the other features of this custom ROM is basically same, other UI things, launcher, etc. kind of same. We're just going to talk about the features which you get in Legion OS because it has very good kind of UI. They've improved a lot of things, and as you can see, this is how the features, or you can see settings UI, is what we have right now. The UI looks quite good enough, and as you can see, animated icons everywhere, quick settings, notification, gestures, power menu, etc, etc. As always, customizations are kind of same like other ones, but yes, the UI is little bit different, a bit something good enough. In the terms of customizations, you can customize the quick settings, column, rows as expected. You can customize the colors, you can customize the brightness slider related things, some data usage related things, and bit of options like that. In the terms of status bar customizations, of course, some status bar icons enable or disable whichever you want to, color status bar icons, clock related customizations, padding related customizations, and including that some VoLTE related or Wi-Fi icons related customizations are also present here for you. And yes, as expectedly, it also has a wallpaper based Ascent, which is basically a Monet WinApe engine, which is basically Android 12 kind of material UI. That thing is present here. If you want to use it, you can customize some fonts, and you can customize the UI style, you can customize the 10 quick setting style, you can customize the background style, you can customize the brightness slider. So basically all the useful features are of course present, and some features might be useless, as some users will not use. Of course, some features are there like some framework related settings which are kind of no use. It also comes with some lock screen customizations, like lock screen charging info is good option. Whenever you charge your device, you want to see the current and the voltage what your device is having. That's impressive. Heads up customizations, this is one of my favorite features. I always use this. Notification heads up I'm talking about. In-call vibration options are also present. You can customize some gestures, for example swipe to screenshot. This is very useful feature. This is also present. Double tap to sleep for a status bar, and double tap to sleep on lock screen. This is also present here for you. Navigation bar you can enable or disable, and this is very helpful, by the way. Of course, you can customize the gestures, etc. It also has the volume control, so which means whenever you use any kind of other Android app, you can control the volume for that particular app. This is a very good feature. And some power menu related customizations are here for you. Power menu animations, or you can simply enable or disable the options you want in your power menu. Some animation related options are also here, for example scrolling as toast animation, list view animation, and some things you get here. This is quite good. And it also has the signature spoofing option, and as expectedly, it also comes with the new interesting gaming mode. This is called power saving. We have the gaming mode, aggressive battery, sleep mode is a very good feature which you can enable or disable if you want to, and gaming mode, as expectedly, a new one from Exism UI. If you want to give it a try, you can. Link to install this build is in the description for the official one, where you can install this. So this was the thing. This was all from today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.